Wendy. Wait, which one's Wendy? This one? Whoa. Hey guys, this is Zander, and we are gonna do the chicken nugget challenge. Let's go. I think I know which one this is. I know which one this is. Yep.
How does it taste? Tell us.
It tastes salty. The inside tastes cold.
So is it KFC, McDonald's, Burger King, Wendys, or Zaxbys?
McDonald's. No, Zaxbys. I guess McDonald's. I like it.
So that was Wendys.
Okay, that was good.
Time for the next one, okay?
Yeah. Okay. It feels, when I first took a bite of it, it was hard and it's really crunchy.
So what do you think it is? KFC, McDonald's, Burger King, Wendys, or Zaxbys?
Burger King.
Burger King, Zaxbys?
Yeah.
The answer is McDonald's.
What? McDonald's?
McDonald's.
That was good.
Alright, time for the next one, okay?
Hey, that tastes good. Yeah, McDonald's. Oh, I know what this one is. I know what this one is. I know. That one is Burger King.
Burger King?
Yeah. Burger King.
The answer is Burger King.
Yes!
Good job. Time for the next one.
Yeah.
Ready?
Can I eat it?
Go ahead.
Oh, I know which one it is.
How does it taste? Tell us.
It tastes real crunchy. It's a weird shape. Yeah, it's kind of a weird shape.
Okay, so do you think it's KFC or Zaxby's?
Yeah. KFC.
KFC, Zaxby's? Well, the answer is KFC.
Yes. What?
In time for the special treat, you guys.
Yay! It's a cookie. I hope it's. Ew. What is it? That's hot. Can you take this off? What is this? Oh, I even got what place is this. I don't think it's any of these places. I'm gonna say, I think it's Silver or Publix.
Burger Republic?
Or
Jake, what do you think it is? Do you think it's from the table or from somewhere else?
I think I'm from Kroger.
Kroger?
Wow.
Jake, what do you think?
Well, I'll go to.
Well, the answer is Zaxby's. It was the last one on the table.
What?
You can go ahead and take off your blindfolds.
What do we want?
I think it was a tie. It was a tie, you guys. Good job.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. Bye.